Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Hilda, your host. This is Mickey and my craft. Today I'm going to show you, the other day on a live with Annie, we were doing these storage boxes. So I wanted to show you the second one, so I couldn't finish since I had to leave early because I was in excruciating pain. And in this box, we're going to put all this cross stitch. I have a basket full of it, plus the ones that I have over here. There's one that I'm not going to put in here because there's going to be a video about this, comparing with the Victoria's Moon diamond painting. So this one, they turn out so pretty, and I love this one. I definitely love this one. Look at the shiny of those drills. They're so beautiful, and I seal them. Okay? So I seal them with Liquitex from Amazon, the high gloss, high varnish. Take a look at those drills. But they don't lose their shine because when you do the sealing, you have to have a damp cloth and pat it on top to take the sealing out of the top of the drill, so they don't lose their natural shine. So take a look at this. So you guys are gonna see how I'm gonna cram all this diamond paintings in here, because I already have one that is filled up. This is very deep. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna do it by I'm gonna put the animals first. This one has a diamond painting, so those ones I'm gonna put at last. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, they accommodate nice and neat. Here is one, the kitten ones. This doggy also has a diamond painting, so I'm gonna put it separately. This one is gonna be for a giveaway, so I'm gonna put it in some other place, because this one is kind of cross stitch with the stitch. I'm trying to classify over here because I would like to get organized. Here's some flowers. Here's the other mermaid that I won't be able to do because it's too big, and I don't think I will have time to finish it before the activity finished. This is a Christmas one. Christmas on July. Most of these you already have a video on it, so I don't have to show you these two. So we are done over here with the animals, and then we're gonna put these little cups that I got. There's a video on it too, the mermaid and the Christmas in July. I have this basket full of it all the way to the top. I'm overboard, so you see me trying to put. Then I have the stations one, along with the Christmassy one. Here is the two lighthouses. Then we got this one that has a diamond painting, and it's still, let me move the camera so you'll see, and it still have a space to put more in there. All that. I have the little boy. Let me put the cute dog. And this one, I'm gonna do a video, so I'm gonna leave it outside. Oh, and we have two more here. One cutie with the animals, and one flower over here. So that's it. Let me put this one for the giveaway way back here until I can find a nice place. So you see what I mean? These storage boxes are good, and I have about 10 of them that I bought last year, and I have been buying since then because they're good for the diamond painting. So I'm gonna show you the other one that I did on that live that has already put the diamond paintings on it. So just give me a break for a moment. Here's the other one. This is the one that I did on the live. Right, remember? And look at all the diamond paintings I just put in there. That have all around it. And it still has for some more. At least a couple of them more. You see? It's a matter of getting organized. I'm gonna leave the ones over here, but then later I have to fix them. So, you see what I mean? They fit perfectly. You get it tidy organized. Then if you have a better space than mine, you can organize it by store, or you can organize it by theme. And that's the way I like to do it. So this is it for now. I just wanted to show, especially for my new subscribers, the 2 storage boxes that I was doing the other night on the live. And I hope you find it useful and very organized. You can have everything tidied up, and you just have to pull, well, I want to do this. So until the next time, have a wonderful day. I hope everybody's doing okay, and I see you then. Much love and peace.